Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to see muted words on the Axe app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So let's just get into it. First we have to open up the Axe app. And here it usually opens up in the feed where we have the posts from the people that we follow. Now we can just swipe to the right, scroll down, tap on settings and support and go into settings and privacy. Then here in this list, we can tap on privacy and safety. And in privacy and safety, in the middle, we find mute and block. If we tap on this, then in this list, we can find muted words. If we tap on this, then we can just see the words that we have muted. What this means is that we can enter words that we don't want to encounter in the app, and then the app won't show us posts that contain these kinds of words. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.